there, space adventurers! Are you ready to explore the mysteries of Mars? Today, we're going to learn all about this amazing planet that's so far away from us here on Earth. Mars is often called the red planet because it looks reddish in the sky. It's about half the size of Earth and it's really cold there, so cold that you wouldn't be able to survive without special equipment. But that doesn't mean we can't learn about it. Scientists have sent special robots called rovers to explore Mars. These rovers move around on the surface of the planet and take pictures and collect samples of rocks and dirt. We can learn a lot from these rovers, even though we can't go there ourselves yet. One of the things that makes Mars so interesting is that scientists think there might have been liquid water on Mars a long time ago. Water is really important for life, so if there was water on Mars, it's possible that there might have been some form of life there too. Wouldn't that be amazing? One of the most famous rovers is called Curiosity. It's about the size of a car and it has lots of special equipment on it to help it explore Mars. Curiosity has already discovered lots of interesting things on Mars, like evidence that there might have been liquid water there in the past. In the future, scientists hope to send humans to Mars to explore it more closely. Can you imagine walking on the surface of Mars and seeing all the amazing things that Curiosity has discovered up close? It's a really exciting idea. So, that's it for our adventure on Mars today. I hope you learned something new and maybe even got inspired to be a space explorer yourself someday. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing space content.